The country is gearing up for the biggest laughter riot of the year with Hangama 2. And today, we have one of its leading actresses and Hindi film debutant Pranita Subhash with us. So, Pranita, first of all, welcome to Spotboy. So, you have told this before, like you wanted a theatrical debut, but it's finally coming on OTT. It's finally releasing. So,
I know.
has that feeling kind of sunk in yet that okay, now it's time to start a new journey, a new phase of your career in this industry?
I know. The last time we spoke, we were still speculating whether it's released, and then now it's here. It is an OTT release. Yeah. So definitely, I would have loved for a theatrical release, and I'm sure the entire film crew is also would have loved that because I know Ratan
Hmm.
sir. They all love. They're all from the
Yeah.
era of theaters.
Your first Hindi film trailer for Hangama 2,
Right.
and it starts with you. Like yours is the
Yeah.
first frame. So how did it feel when you
Right.
first watched the trailer? Like it starts with you.
Obviously felt good. Obviously felt good. It's I mean you'll when you watch the film you'll know why. I think it sets the story, so I like how the trailers cut as well.
Okay, okay. And you had two films up for release, both were kind of stuck due to COVID. Now, finally, both of
Yeah.
them have a release date. Is that kind of a
Yeah.
sigh of relief for you? Like, finally, both of them are coming.
Uh yeah, but now it's making these 2 months very hectic for me to suddenly
Yeah,
promote everything around me. So but it'll be nice. Let's see how it all goes.
yeah. So, what can you tell us about your character in Hangama 2?
Character is like a very typical girl next door.
Hmm.
But yet, I think the film, as it pans out, you will realize
Hmm.
how each character is adding to the story or like sort of taking the story forward.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So, you are starting with a comedy and with the comedy maestro
Yeah.
himself, Priyadarshan sir.
Yes.
So, how was
Yes.
that taking tutelage from him in this genre?
I think Priyansa is somebody where you don't have to put in the effort of doing comedy.
Hmm.
So I don't have to try and be funny. It's about you just trying
Yeah,
to be yourself, and he will make sure that they find you funny. So
yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah,
you had like an ensemble cast with you of comedy, like who
yeah.
have been like masters of comedy with Rajpal sir, Johnny sir, Paresh sir, even Shilpa, and like Mizan is also like
Rajpal
comes
sir, yeah.
from that lineage. So who was the most
Yeah.
fun person on set?
Fun person on set has to be Paresh ji because
Okay.
he comes up with like he's completely unwell and he's sitting there and doling out one-liners and that's super funny. I don't even know how he does that.
Okay, okay. So, has there been any incident from the set that you kind of became very memorable for you?
Everything I think, especially shooting in Manali was quite memorable.
Hmm.
Celebrating my birthday with everyone on set was memorable, and everything. I think it's been a journey. Like, I've literally
Hmm.
known the film crew from 2019 October, so it's literally like
Yeah,
2 years with a certain film crew. Yeah, it's been
yeah.
crazy.
Okay. So, like you, this was like a new field for you, new industry for you.
Yes,
So, what was the role of
yes.
your co-star in helping you immerse yourself in this Hindi film style?
I think yeah, he knows more about like the whole Bollywood ways and everything. So I think he's the one who told me, you've got to be out there, get yourself like a PR, get yourself, spotted everywhere, and then
Yeah,
get signing more films and stuff like that. So he's quite proactive like that.
yeah,
So I think yeah, I really figured that Bollywood is a lot different from the South. Got to
yeah,
be at the gym, you got to be at your Pilates class, you got to be
yeah.
on your diet, you got to oh my gosh, you got to do a lot of things. So yeah.
And here, by he, you mean Paresh or Priyan sir?
Oh, I was talking about Mizan.
Yeah, okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Priyan sir and Paresh sir are very old school. They are like,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
chill,
That's
that's
why I
okay.
kind of, that's why I wanted to
Yeah.
confirm because,
So they are like, you chill and everything will be fine and stuff. But then
yeah.
I know how Mizan is. So you're like,
Hmm.
he's shooting here and he's like, no, I got to go. I got to get a haircut. And then you see
Yeah.
the next day that haircut only is like is in the spotted and everything. So then I'm like, okay, this is how you do things. So
Okay, okay.
yeah.
So, we saw a few days ago Chura Ke Dil Mera 2.0 And like it's an iconic song being recreated.
Yeah.
कहीं पे हल्का सा regret हुआ like you did not get to be a part of it.
I was just saying that I think it's really cool that for Shilpa actually, because
Yeah,
I don't think there's any star out there who did a song when they were 20 and that
yeah,
song became a smash hit, and then 25 years later they're dancing to that song for themselves. Like
yeah.
it's never like, yeah, you see like all these Govinda songs, or you could be like any song, but it's all remade by 20-year-olds and
Yeah,
25-year-olds. Shilpa's the only person who she just
yeah,
changed the co-star, but then she's back in that song. So
yeah.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
but you got to kind of dance with Shilpa in the credit song, that promotion
credit
song
songs.
that you did.
Yeah,
So, how was
yes,
that
of course.
experience of dancing alongside
It's
Shilpa?
fun because Shilpa and Mizan, both of them are very talented
Hmm,
dancers.
hmm.
So it was a lot of fun dancing with both of them. And a little also a bit of like a competition. All three of us are like, okay,
So, I was just talking about Shilpa. Like, is there any quality of hers that you observed on set that you'd like to imbibe in yourself?
yes, the fact that she doesn't eat after 7 p.m. I think I'm eating junk till 12 in the morning, so I
Yeah.
should stop that.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And like Mizan comes from a lineage of actors like his grandfather, his
Yes.
father have been immensely talented in all fields, but like comedy is one of their specialty. So like
Yes.
does that reflect in Mizan as well in his comic timing?
Absolutely. You must have seen the trailer. Like he's got that hyperness. He's a bit
Yeah,
of a mix of Ranbir, and Javed Jafsar and everyone. Yeah.
yeah, okay, okay. And like it was like a very I'll say brave decision on your part. Like your first two Hindi films, both of them, like it's not like you are the sole heroine. It's like a being an part of an ensemble.
On song.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
did that kind of any concern? Was it of any concern?
Um, no, because I think the film chooses you more than you choosing the
Yeah.
film in your initial days. So it's not like, especially because I'm not I'm not I don't come from like a filmy background.
Hmm.
So I think you just select from what has been offered to you. And among the films that were offered to me, I really like these two. So I took it up.
Okay. Okay. So, right now there is a lot of exchange happening across the South and the Hindi film industry, with a lot of South actors. Like recently, Samantha came to Hindi with Family Man 2. Then now Rashmika
Yeah.
is coming with Mission Majnu. You are coming with Hangama and Bhuj. And also a lot of Hindi actors like Alia Deepika are going south. So do you think
Yeah.
not just the actors, but it's also this action is also helping the industry widen its reach?
Yeah. Yeah, it's also blurring the lines because I think now every film is called a pan Indian film.
Yeah,
It's not called like a Hindi film or like a South film anymore. So
yeah,
I think there is this thing of pan Indian, and eventually it'll all just be Indian
yeah,
cinema. So yeah.
yeah. And so a month and a half almost ago, you got married. So first of all, big congratulations to you on that. So
Thank
like,
you.
I read about some of your interviews where you said like that you did not tell anyone about the date because you were also not sure like whether it would be possible.
No, because I think because also because of COVID. So
Yeah,
it's very tough to make the guest list when it's a COVID wedding.
yeah. But finally, when you decided, like, was it like an impromptu decision? Like, okay, it's up to COVID, pata nahi kab jaye, let's do it only.
I guess I don't know. I guess yeah.
Okay. How has the bliss of married life been for you?
Like I said, so I've been busy working as well. So there's
Hmm.
and like right now there's the release of
Yeah.
Hangama 2, and then 20 Din Baad there's also the release of Bhuj.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, but last question, like, do you feel like this is one of the best years of your life? Like, you take a plunge in your personal life now, professional life is also you are divulging into new territory. So it's turning out one of the best years of
Well,
your life.
I like actually both the films, in fact, were supposed to be released last year. So when
Mhm.
Hangama 2 was also supposed to release on June 4th, and Bhuj was supposed to release on June 4th, and then now
Yeah.
because of COVID, both the films are releasing 1 year later,
Yeah.
and with a 20-day gap, and both the films are releasing on OTT on the
Yeah.
same platform that is Hotstar. So
Yeah.
I think it's just Yeah, so it's everything's just so different, from what I had this thing. So yeah,
Okay, okay. But Pranita, really looking forward to seeing you in Hangama and Burj, and really wishing you
thank you,
all the best for all your
thank
future
you.
endeavors. Oh, one thing I forgot to ask, like you had your third Hindi film also signed, and with vaccination and everything happening, has there been any progress on the when you start shooting for it? Or
Um, yeah, so I think if not for COVID, I would have like signed a couple more films, but
yeah,
because of COVID, I think everyone's career is slightly on a little bit of a slower gear.
yeah.
So yeah, let's see how that goes.
Okay, okay. But thank you so much, Pranita. Really looking forward to your work and all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.